Under his leadership, I will see that we will set up plant in Bainguinim, taking आमचो Babush in confidence, taking all the 5 MLAs of Tiswadi in confidence, set up a plant in Bainguinim, set up a plant in South Goa. Yeah. And the existing garbage ha pay ती हिंगासोर Sonsodo ती treat करपाक जाय.
I'm ready a power delegate करपाक.
See, I have given him my proposal. It is up to him. He has seen how I worked for the Kalangut garbage treatment plant. So if he wants my help, definitely he'll take me in. I'm already in, but I have to have independent powers to work under him, under Chief Minister. I don't have to report to anybody.
तुमचा ते गव्हर्नमेंटन रोल ट्रबल शूटराचो असतलो असले बारीक बारीक इश्यू आहा म्हणटा.
See, all the problems which are there, which common man is facing, has to be solved by somebody or the other. I am there, one of them. So माझ्या भाशेन कितकेच जाण आहा, विजय सरदेसाई आहा. And I'm happy he told me, day before yesterday I spoke to him. Then I direct सांगले, Michael, I want to see that Sonsodo gets clean in this tenure of mine. पुढे वर्सा उरल्या हे आपले एक हें आसतलें म्हणून war footing. I will see that the old garbage which is there, I told him, we'll put screening plants and clear it and take the treated waste and fill it in landfill sites. कोणें हुंयसून माती काडल्या, हुंय मायनींग मायन पिट्स बंद जाल्या आनीक जायना ओपन ऑपरेटिंगा, थिंगा व्हरोन घालप ते.